Hello and welcome to DeviousWorks Paint Tool SCI art tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to step-by-step use the curve tool in Paint Tool SCI to make nice line art. The first thing you're going to want to do is draw or upload a rough sketch of what you would like to do detailed line art on. It is also beneficial to do this on a transparent background, but it's not required. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a new line work layer separate and above your current sketch. Then you're going to want to select the curve tool. So go ahead and select whatever color and or size you would like for your curve tool to be. Notice how when I click from point to point, the curve tool naturally just curves the line to what you want it to be. It's important to note that you want to completely enclose your line art layer. Otherwise, you'll end up selecting the whole layer instead of the specific area you want enclosed inside your line art. At this point, you would like to go ahead and select your curve tool and begin tracing all of your line art. At any point, if there is a part of the curve that you don't like or wish to adjust, simply double click so you're no longer using the curve tool. But while the curve tool is selected, hold the left control button. This should give you or show you all the points that you have selected when using your curve tool. Simply click and hold onto the point you wish to adjust with the left control button pressed, and adjust the curve to how you would like it to be. Once you completed tracing your sketch, now you can adjust the pressure of each line to a desired effect you would like. Go ahead and select the pressure tool in your line arc layer, and you can go ahead and adjust the thickness of each line to your desired point. Now that your line art's complete, go ahead and select the magic wand tool. This will allow you to select everything within the enclosed line art area. Then, you're going to want to create a new regular layer and make sure that layer is located underneath your line work layer. From there, you can go ahead and select the pen tool or any other painting tool, the color you want, and color in the whole area that is selected. When you do it this way, you can make sure that you're always coloring within the lines in a very quick and easy way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.